Okay, number 1, it's asking us to find the measure of angle S, which is right here. Now, this is an isosceles trapezoid. The reason we know that is because these two sides are the same, 14. And in an isosceles trapezoid, the base angles are congruent. So this angle is 63, and so is this angle. These two are base angles. They are congruent. And because this is a set of parallel sides here, we have consecutive interior angles that are supplementary. So see, here's your consecutive interior going this way. Here's your consecutive interior going this way. So we do have consecutive interior angles here and here at R and S. So in order to find out the measure of angle S, we would subtract 63 from 180 degrees, and we would get a total of 117. Okay, number 5, if HJ is 14, I think this was supposed to be an H here, HJ is 14 and LK is 42, we want to find TS. Well, up here it says that TS are midpoints of the legs. T and S are midpoints for the legs, so that means that these sides are congruent and these sides are congruent, which means that this is the midsegment or the median. And that means that if it's the midsegment or the median, then the base plus the base divided by 2, so the base plus the base divided by 2 gives us the midsegment or the median or the midpoint, just like the midpoint formula. So for number 5, in order to find x in the middle, we add 14 to 42 and divide by 2. That'll give us the midsegment. 14 plus 42 is 56, and we want to divide that by 2, and we get 28. So the length of TS is 28. 1. The area of the trapezoid, rhombus, or kite is what we're looking for. So the first one that we have is a trapezoid, and the formula for the area of a trapezoid is to take 1/2 the height times the sum of the bases. The height is always the perpendicular, so it's 1/2 of 10 times the sum of the bases, 6 plus 15. And carry it all out. 1/2 of 10 is 5. I just took 1/2 of 10, which is 5. 6 plus 15 is 21. So now I take 5 times 21, which is 105. And we are talking about area, so we denote it as meters squared. Okay, number 7, we have to work backwards here in order to find a height of a trapezoid. Okay, so we have a trapezoid which base lengths of 6 and 15 and an area of 136.5 square centimeters. So the formula for the area of a trapezoid is 1/2 the height times the sum of the bases. And to fill in what we have, well, they gave us the area is 136.5, so that equals 1/2 the height, which is what we're looking for, times the sum of the bases, so times 6 and 15. So carry everything out. We have 136.5 equals 1/2 the height times 6 plus 15, and 6 plus 15 is 21. Now we're going to have to take 1/2 of 21, because remember we can multiply these together because multiplication is associative. It can go in any order. So carrying everything down, I have 136.5 equals 1/2 of 21, which is 10.5 times the height. And now I just want to divide by 10.5 on both sides. So my height will be 13.